Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a contact form to your WordPress website. So let's see, you have a website and you want to give your visitor a way to contact you. You can do that by adding a contact form. So today we are going to create our contact form like this. Now let's create a contact form. First of all, go to your dashboard and then go to plugins and click add new. Now search for a plugin called Ninja Forms and it will get this plugin. So let's click install and activate. So the plugin has been installed and now we will see this new button called Ninja Forms. Once we install this plugin, go to the next step, which is to create a form. So to create the form, just click Ninja Forms and here you can see that there is a default contact form. So first let's delete that by clicking here and then click delete and tap here delete as it is, and it will be deleted. Now let's create a new form by clicking add new, and here you will see different types of forms you can create. So I'm going to choose the contact us form, and as soon as you click it, your form will be created. So you can see here that we have a simple contact form which asks for the name, email, message and submit button. So once we have created the form, we can go to the next step, which is to add this form to our website. So to add this form to our website, let's close this and then go to the pages and click add new. So now we are create a new page where we can put our contact form. So I'm going to enter the page title as contact us, and then to add the form click plus option, and here just search Ninja form and then click on it, and here you just need to select the form contact me. Just click on contact me and then you can see the contact form is created. So here you just need to click on publish button, and now just view this page. As you can see, we have got a contact form. So this is how easily you can create a contact form in WordPress. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.